Jurisdictionally, what makes it so difficult is Public Law 280 has sort of jimmied the whole situation. And I'll use CLETS as an example. We have the ability to have law enforcement, but we were not given the authority to have access to the tools that they need to be effective. And so now we're having to sort of go backwards and come forward and say, this is what we need. So for instance, if I want to issue restraining orders and put them into the system, local law enforcement officers don't have access to the federal system that we have access to. So what they do is they can pull up and they can see, oh yes, there's a restraining order, but it doesn't have any of the information about
no parameters, no time frame,
any of that.
Nothing.
So it's not effective. And I have to say that the Attorney General's office has been very supportive about that and just issued another bulletin on Friday saying these are effective legal orders. You have to follow them. But the problem is you're the officer out on the beat and you're trying to pull it up on your computer and it's not there. Those kinds of missteps are rampant throughout this area, meaning the area of jurisdiction. That kind of drop ball, or we forgot to think about them, or we didn't mean to, but that's what happened, or any of that. What we're trying to do with conferences like this and with discussing the issues is develop protocols within our law enforcement, ways of relating to the other jurisdictions. You heard from representatives from the federal government, from the state government, from different branches of all of those, and nobody's in charge. And even if you were in charge, nobody has the resources. So what we're trying to do is say, look, we need the resources. We're the ones who have the best chance of being successful. We can relate to our community. We can get this information. We need access to systems and money and equipment. And with that, we can bring these things to an end. We want to prevent them, but part of preventing them is doing this work.